Hello guys, this is Paul Okoro here. You're welcome to my another tutorial for today. Right, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to create a cinematic photo slide in your After Effects. Right, let's get started. Okay, so first what I'll do is to open my After Effects, then open a new project, a new composition. You can just call it photo slide. Right, we're okay with the settings. Okay. All right, so next, let's create a new solid layer. Control Y or Command Y if you're using Mac. Okay, right. So what I'll do next is to import few photos I have. Okay, let me take from here. All right. Okay, let me take few of these my students' pictures. Let's take here. I just take few pictures, maybe here. Maybe here. All right, import it. All right, so next thing I'll do is to bring them here. All right, so what I'll do, each of these pictures, I want to pre-compose them one after the other. So Control Shift C or Command Shift C if you're using Mac. All right, so having done that, the next thing I'll do is to open this. So I'll just do a few animation on this. Let's push position and scale. Let's open them one after the other. So let me scale it down. Okay. So let me add a few animation, few movement to the pictures. Okay, let's say, let me toggle on the animation button for the position and the scale. Then let's say at about 6 seconds, I just want to add this. Put this one down small. Maybe scale it up a little. Okay, that's it for this one. So this is what we have. Small movement, smooth movement. All right, so we'll come to this one too. Maybe instead of let's just scale it down, scale and position. Let's open them at once. Let's scale this down small, push it this way. So in this case now, I want this now. Let me see, scale it down, push it up, maybe up a little. So what I want this one to move from left to right. So in this case, I'll just animate the position alone. So toggle on the animation key. Then let's move from here to here. Oh, sorry, at this point, let this start from here. Okay. So we have this move from here to here. Likewise, let's go to the next. Okay, so having done all of this, let me begin to bring in the slide, how I want it to appear. Okay, let's say I want this to Okay, let me start with the down one. All right. Okay, let me duplicate this solid layer. Control D. Okay, so what I'll do now is I want this thing to start up the animation. This solid layer. So what I'll do is at 20 frames, let me open my position. At 20 frames, I want this thing to come in this way. Okay. Okay, so I want it to come in. Let me change the color. Let's go to fill. Okay. All right, so let me easy keyframe the animation. Go to our graph and edit graph. All right, so let's see, this is what we have. All right, let me duplicate this again. Okay, let me duplicate it just once. Sorry. All right, I can change this color to, let's say, something like this. So this is what we have. Okay. All right, so this one, what I'll do is to animate it. Let me go to the position. At 20 frames, I want it to also come. I can just copy the attribute of this thing and paste it. And let me just do it this way. All right. So F9, open a graph editor. All right, so this is what I have so far. Okay, I have this. Okay. Then I can copy this also again, these two. Can duplicate it, bring it up. All right, so let's see what we have so far. Okay, let me just open this. It was hidden, sorry. right, so let's see. Where is this one? Why is it not showing? Okay, so let me adjust this. That's all right. Okay, this one should come closer. I adjust that. Okay. All right, so maybe what we can do is to, as this thing is coming, at this point, it's coming, we can just add another. Let's make a, okay, let's choose our rectangular tool. You can just add here. If you want to do a write up here, so as this is coming, you're having your text one. Let's reduce this. You can just have a write up here, as the case may be. All right, let me bring it down. All right. Okay. All right, so this is it. Okay, so as this one is appearing at the end of this place, so as this is ending, our text, maybe text one can just come position of this. All right, this text one. All right, so let's see what we have. Okay, so as this is coming, let's copy this, paste it here. Okay, so this is one of the ways you can create a cinematic photo slide in Adobe After Effects. In case you are joining us for the first time, please do wait to like, share, and send us a comment on what you think about our tutorial. And also, don't forget to turn on your notification button so that anytime we have a new video, you'll be able to see it to watch. Till I see you again, thank you and God bless you.